Hey guys, it's Vanessa, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to make turmeric and lemon shots. Now I'm adding two optional ingredients, which are cloves and also a grapefruit. I'm going to add all these ingredients into my juicer and also add my turmeric unpeeled, and this is also optional. The benefits of having lemon and turmeric shots is the lemon is high in vitamin C and the turmeric has anti-inflammatory properties, which helps to boost the immune system. Now I enjoy these shots each morning, around 60 milliliters each morning, and it's a normal usual routine for me, and it helps to support my immune system to fight off colds and cough and flu. Yeah, so this is a nice smooth consistency that I got from juicing my turmeric and lemon, clove and also grapefruit. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Don't forget to like and share for more. Bye guys.